Hi guys, it's me, Mega Master, and welcome to today's video. So today we're gonna be playing a wrangle. And let's do this. I'll try to get a winner chicken dinner. Yeah guys, so I'm just checking the plane route. I think I'll try and go to Vasiana Poliana. Okay. Let's see. Come on guys, follow me. Everybody's punching me because I have the 100 RP. Okay. Let's try and win this, guys. It's one last guy. Come on, full squad, guys. Okay, never mind then. Comment down below if you think I'm gonna win this match. Comment down below hashtag winner chicken dinner if you think I'm gonna win this match. Okay, we're all going Vasiana. Let's go. Hopefully I get some good guns. I bet there's gonna be a lot of people in Vasiana. Come on. Give me a good gun. God, I need a backpack. Okay, Uzi. I'm surprised I don't hear any footsteps till now. Did everybody go to Pochinki or something? I don't know. And I don't mind. Yes, a backpack. Come on, give me an AR or something. There can't be just one gun in this whole building. Okay. Shotgun? I don't want that. Come on, give me an AR. Yes. Okay, we got a DOS here. It's good. There's a guy there. Let me get the kill. No, no, no. Oh my god. Okay, fine. Kill him. Come on, I don't want an Uzi. Okay. Know where the dossier is. Just in case we need it sometime. Is there actually nobody here? It's gonna be very surprising. I'd rather have a VSS at this time. Come on, Mini. Give me another gun. I don't want this. Footsteps. Chase him. God, how did I miss so many shots? Yes. Somebody else is here. How is that person still alive? Thought I headshotted him. Okay. Now I have enough. Somebody else? There's somebody else. Yes, there is somebody. Come on, stop making me chase you around. Why are there so many bots? Okay. Still Wasiana's in the game. It's in the zone. Oh my god. I need to change my controls. Oh, flare. Come on, pick me up. Can I drive? Okay, never mind then. Oh, sure. Okay, get in the car. Where's the M4? Hope we win this match. All I got was bots. I need some more players. Hi, teammate. Oh my god, these trees. Okay, red zone is here. Okay, this person has a car. I don't know why. Okay, this guy saw an M4 somewhere. Is there somebody there? Probably a bot. Come on. I'll take this car, you guys take that car. Okay, these people are more interested in looting. Oh my god, why did he crash my car? Whoa, what? This is crazy. Are you guys seeing this? What is that? Whoa, that is so cool. Yo, stop emoting. What did you do? You spoiled my car. Okay. What? Okay, whatever it is. Focus on trying to win the match. Oh, he found a... Okay, never mind. I'm not angry at you now. Guys, leave the car. Let's go get the... Oh my god. This guy. Okay, let's go. Number 3. Get in the car. Get in the car, oh my god. Okay, let's go. Full squad. We need to win this. Should we stay here? No, leave it. Oh wait, there's a car. Oh, what? Oh my god. Whoa, that happened so fast I couldn't even see what happened. My death replay. How did that happen? So these buggy guys just came out of nowhere. And they saw us before we saw them. And they just hit me. What? They didn't even hit me. What? Okay, this is weird. Okay, whatever. Have you guys ever seen that? What happened with those 2 cars? Oh my god. Okay. So, wow. That was so weird. Okay guys, so that's going to be it for the video. See you guys next time. Bye.